TVS Apache RR 310 on-road prices in cities near Nagaon. City. On-road price. तेजपुर 2,93,481 रुपए. मोरेगांव 2,93,481. हौजाई 2,93,481. जागी रोड 2,93,481 रुपए. सोनितपुर 2,93,481. खरुपेटिया 2,93,481 रुपए. विश्वनाथ चरली 2,93,481. खेतरी 2,93,481 रुपए. मैन्युफैक्चरर वारंटी. स्टैंडर्ड वारंटी 2 ईयर. स्टैंडर्ड वारंटी 30,000 किलोमीटर. सर्विस और मेंटेनेंस शेड्यूल. फर्स्ट सर्विस 1,000 किलो मिलीसेकंड 60 डेज. सेकंड सर्विस 5,000 किलो मिलीसेकंड 180 डेज. थर्ड सर्विस 10,000 किलो मिलीसेकंड 365 डेज. पावर और परफॉर्मेंस. डिस्प्लेसमेंट 312.2 घन सेंटीमीटर. मैक्स पावर 33.5 भापट 9700 रेवोल्यूशंस पर मिनट. मैक्स टॉर्क 27.3 न्यूटन मीटर एट 7700 रेवोल्यूशंस पर मिनट. माइलेज अराई 34.7 किम्पल. माइलेज ओनर रिपोर्टेड आई 30 किम्पल. राइडिंग रेंज 330 किलोमीटर. टॉप स्पीड 160 किलोमील प्रति घंटा. राइडिंग मोड्स ट्रैक, अर्बन, रेन एंड स्पोर्ट. ट्रांसमिशन 6 स्पीड मैनुअल. ट्रांसमिशन टाइप चेन ड्राइव. गियर शिफ्टिंग पैटर्न 1 डाउन 5 अप. डायमेंशंस और शैसीज. कर्ब वेट 174 किलोग्राम. सीट हाइट 810 मिलीमीटर. ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस 180 मिलीमीटर. ओवरऑल लेंथ 2001 मिलीमीटर. ओवरऑल विड्थ 786 मिलीमीटर. ओवरऑल हाइट 1135 मिलीमीटर. व्हील बेस 1365 मिलीमीटर. शैसीज टाइप ट्रेलस फ्रेम. स्प्लिट शैसीज. TVS Apache RR 310 summary. Price. TVS Apache RR 310 price for its variant Apache RR 310 standard starts at Rs. 2,93,481. The mentioned Apache RR 310 price is the on-road price of Nagaon. TVS Apache RR 310 is a sports bike available in only one variant and two colors. The TVS Apache RR 310 is powered by 312.2 cc BS6 engine which develops a power of 33.5 bhp and a torque of 27.3 Newton meters. With both front and rear disc brakes, TVS Apache RR 310 comes up with anti-locking braking system. This Apache RR 310 bike weighs 174 kilograms and has a fuel tank capacity of 11 liters. TVS Motor Company has launched the 2021 Apache RR 310 in the Indian market. The latest iteration of the motorcycle packs several upgrades over the 2020 model. These include several standard revisions and optional accessories. The list of standard upgrades includes a wave bite key that is claimed to deliver enhanced security and work as an in-hand adjuster for damping adjustments. The 2021 model also gets tweaks to the color TFT display that now includes an engine rev limit indicator, a day trip meter, an overspeed indicator, and stored display digital documents. The new model further benefits from a new race muffler that is claimed to revise the geometry for higher lean angles and a racier exhaust note. The list of optional extras includes dynamic kit and race kit. The dynamic kit includes fully adjustable KIM front forks and rear monoshock, and an anti-rust brass-coated drive chain. The race kit, on the other hand, revises the ergonomics for a sportier rider's triangle through a race ergo handlebar, raised footrests, and knurled foot pegs. Buyers can also enhance the styling of the motorcycle through the race replica graphics and red alloy wheels. Buyers can customize the motorcycle and get the optional accessories installed from the factory through the built-to-order BTO platform. Interested buyers can use the TVS ARIVE app or visit the web configurator to buy and customize the Apache RR 310. The styling cues remain unaltered and the 2021 Apache RR 310 continues to feature a twin-pod headlight at the front, a full fairing design, step-up saddle, and a side-slung exhaust. The color options include two choices: racing red and titanium black. The feature list retained from the 2020 model includes full LED lighting, a Bluetooth-enabled color TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, 4 riding modes, and dual-channel ABS. The mechanical specifications continue to include the 312.2 cm single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that produces 33.5 bhp at 9,700 revolutions per minute and 27.3 Nm of peak torque at 7,700 revolutions per minute. The motor is linked to a 6-speed gearbox.